Hi everyone, this is Ritu Pava and welcome back with a new topic of interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverb is placed at the beginning of a question. This means that whenever we have to ask something, when we have any question in our mind, then we have to use the interrogative adverbs, and these adverbs always placed at the beginning of a sentence. These kind of sentences always ends with the question mark, of course, and these sentences are like why, where, how, and when. All these words are the question words like interrogative adverbs also. इनको हम यूज़ करते हैं टू आस्क समथिंग. जब भी हमें किसी पर्सन, प्लेस, जगह के बारे में कुछ भी पूछना है, then we use these interrogative adverbs. So let's see some examples like why are you so late? Why? How can I get to your house? How? Where is my passport? Where? When does the trainer arrive? When? And how often do you go to London? All these first words of each sentence are interrogative adverbs. A question word that asks a question. कोई भी एक क्वेश्चन जिस क्वेश्चन वर्ड से स्टार्ट होता है दैट इज़ द इंटेरोगेटिव एडवर्ब, और इनको हम यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी पर्सन, प्लेस, जगह, टाइम या कोई काम कैसे हुआ है. सो इन फॉर दिस वी हैव टू यूज़ सच इंटेरोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स, क्योंकि जब भी हमें किसी भी पर्सन, किसी भी चीज़, किसी भी जगह के बारे में कुछ भी पूछना है तो हमें we have to use these interrogative adverbs. And once again I'm reminding that these interrogative adverbs we always placed at the beginning of the sentence. ये हमेशा sentence के beginning में लगते हैं, and these kind of sentences in which we ask something, these sentences always ends with a question mark. और ये वाले words हैं why, where, when and how, क्योंकि इनसे ही हमें किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है कि कोई काम कैसे हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है. सो ऑल दीज इंफॉर्मेशंस वी ऑलवेज गेट विद दीज इंटेरोगेटिव क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स like where, what, how, who, why, when. So all these words are the interrogative adverbs. First word is who. This word we used for a pupil, for a person. When we have to ask anything about a person, then we use this word who. Again, for a pupil, we use whom sometimes. Next word is whose. This we use for a person as well as for a thing. जब भी हमें किसी person या thing के बारे में पूछना है. What for the animal and things, and which for again animal and things. These interrogative adverbs are used to ask the question and they are usually placed at the beginning of a question. इनको हमेशा हम किसी भी sentence की beginning में ही रखते हैं. Like why, when, where, how. Why are you crying means when you want to know the reason of something. When will this movie end? At what time? When you are asking something about any time, then when interrogative adverb is used. Where? When you have to ask about the place. How? In what way? So all these words we use to ask something. So let's see some examples of the interrogative adverbs like why haven't you started studying? Why? This is the example of why, and next sentence is when did you finish your school? When. Third, where in the world did I leave my phone? Where. Number 4, when are the best days to go to the mall? When. And number 5, what kind of music do you want to dance to? What is the word? Next is whose book did you bring me? Whose. First word is again the interrogative adverb in the next sentence. When are the best days to go to the mall? When. What kind of music do you want to dance to? What. How many topics do you have to study? How. Did he make a cake for you? Did. And what kind of music do you like? What? And did you take your vitamin this morning? Did. So all these words are placed at the beginning of the sentences and they are used to ask something. Whenever you want to ask about any person, place, animal, thing, time, anything, किसी की चीज़ के बारे में अगर आपने पूछना है, then every time you must use an interrogative adverb और इनको हमेशा रखा जाता है sentence की beginning में, and these kind of sentences always ends with the question mark. So let's see some more other examples. Why? This is asking for the reason. Where is Mr. inquiring about the place? When are you going to grow up? This is about the time. And how can you eat a freezer full of pizzas in one evening? How? For in what way? So all these interrogative adverbs are placed at the beginning like why, where, when and how. Same thing, every time interrogative adverbs, when you want to ask something, you have to place in front of the question and these sentences ends with the question mark. Once again, adverbs that are used to ask questions about time, place, number, manner, quantity and reason are called interrogative adverbs. किसी भी टाइम के बारे में, जगह के बारे में, नंबर, मैनर, क्वांटिटी, रीज़न, किसी के बारे में whenever you want to ask something, you need interrogative adverbs like how was the movie? How? When does the play begin? When? Where is the new mall being built? Where? And why don't you like her? Why? All these are the interrogative adverbs that is placed in front of the sentence at the first place of the sentence in the beginning of the sentence. And these sentences always ends with the question mark. These words tell us about for what reason something is happening, when a work is happening, where it is happening, why it is happening. So all these interrogative adverbs answers us something. So these are the interrogative adverbs. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this and I hope the concept is more clear to you. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe.